Let's see how to screenshot on an iPod 9th generation. In the first step, open Settings. Next, go to Accessibility. Then choose Touch. In the next step, enable Assistive Touch. After that, tap Customize top level menu. Next, add the screenshot function. In the next step, hold the top button and home button at the same time. Now, let go quickly. Now, notice the screen flashes. In the next step, pull down from the top right area. Now press the screenshot icon. After that, locate the image in Photos. In the next step, click on the screenshot preview, then use markup tools for edits. Next, save it in Photos or Files. You are good to go.